programming realization of today. I want to talk about Python data types such as lists and strings. So previously in the code we had the list to-dos defined in here. So we manually typed in that list. We typed in the square brackets and so on, and then we added items to that list using the append method. But this is not the reality. In real life, you don't normally create lists inside your Python scripts. So normally, lists are created automatically from other external files, such as the text file. So our list, in our case, was created at this point in here. To-dos equal to file.readlines. So file.readlines returns a list, and that is the same data type as writing a list with square brackets in Python. So it is exactly the same data type. The same goes for other data types, for example strings. Sometimes you do write things in your script, such as this message here. So you type in the double quotes, you write in the text and so on. But most of the times you will probably get text from external text files, from databases. So for example, again in our case, the text this time is part of that list, so it's a list of strings that we get in here. So just to make sure you understand what I'm saying, I will execute that line in the Python console. So create a file object and then create a list. So to-dos is just a list, just like we get type for that manually typed list, we get type list. The type of to-dos here is also a list. It is exactly the same object, and these are also strings. So if you want to check the type of to-dos with index 0, you can do that and you get a string, because to-dos with index 0 gives you a string. So prepare. So this is what I wanted to point out in this realization video about data types in Python and how they interact with your program. So these are structures that Python has made available to handle data. I hope this makes sense, and I'll talk to you later. See you.